YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today we are kicking off December Mania, where I'm going to be posting a video every single day until Christmas. I'm super excited about it and I can't wait to go on this journey with you guys. The first video that I have for today is going to be a pack with me cruise edition. I did go on a cruise this past month and I want to take you guys on the journey with me. So without further ado, let's hit right into the video. Things that I'll just tell y'all about really quickly before I jump into why I packed the way that I packed. There's gonna be like so every cruise has an itinerary, right? And basically the 7-day cruise has 2 dinners that are supposed to be like an elegant night on the 2nd and 3rd night, and then they also kind of tell you what's appropriate for different dinners and stuff like that. They also tell you about, you know, the different islands, and then, you know, based off of whatever excursions it is that you're going on, kind of pack accordingly. So most of it really is going to be like summer wear and casual, and then I have a few like items that are going to be for formal, and then just on my own because I don't want to be like jeans and a t-shirt for dinner. Like, it's kind of a special trip, so I want it to be right. But basically I want to show y'all really quickly kind of how I packed and why I packed the way that I packed. I did use or combine actually some of the methods that I did from my 3 ways to pack a suitcase video. If you haven't seen that, I'll be sure to link that below and include it at the end of this video. And yeah, let's get into it. So I'll show y'all what I did. So this black pile that's on top is going to be all of my dinner clothes. Like, it's literally dresses, blazers, pants, different, you know, dressy tops, and this one is just a sweater for more of the casual comfy night. So I put all of my clothes that I plan on wearing for dinner off to this side. So that would be the section that's for occasion, like how I did in the last video. This section right here is all tops, so it's just a different mixture of tops that are in here, and I shot for 5 and ended up having like 8 but I like to have options. So this is the top pile. This is the bottoms pile, and that includes like casual dresses, skirts, shorts, jeans, everything. So anything that I could wear alone or that can be accompanied with a shirt is in here. And I shot out for 5, and it's about like 7 or 8 in here. So this side of my suitcase is going to be what I wear out. And then if I flip out to this side right here, I didn't really use my packing cubes that much this time, but these are my jams. Those are my underoos. This is active wear right here, so just in case I want to go take a jog. I doubt it, but just in case, like, I want to have the option. And then here is like all of my swimwear and cover-ups. So you can see swimwear, cover-ups, and stuff like that in here. I'm going to have a second suitcase, and that's going to be filled with shoes, accessories, and so on. So yeah, that is the suitcase. Alright y'all, so this is going to be my accessories bag. This is a bag inside of a bunch of bags inside of a bunch of bags. And basically it's just backpacks, crossbodies, and those little loose bags that you put on your back. I might try to stick a beach bag in here of some sort, just in case. Maybe not. But I wanted to have some extra, so that's what this is here. This is also our snorkel pieces. Right here is going to be all of the bath products. I'm not done exactly with this yet, but some things I'm still using and I'm not ready to pack them yet. This is my makeup here. And then in here is going to be all of my dental. I separated this because one time I was on a plane, you guys know, like, some products will bust after they sit at a certain altitude, and I had my mouthwash in here and contact solution, and the mouthwash got into my contact solution, and like, it was really my contact case with the solution in it, and it was like burning so bad. And then this right here is just like jewelry pieces. So those are my accessories. Here I have my slippers, a small umbrella. On this other side here, all alone, this is where my shoes are. So probably way too many shoes. This is actually 3 pairs of sandals. Luckily they're small enough for me to stack. Got my Sperry's, some high-heeled casual sandals, sneakers, as well as some high-heel shoes that are kind of elegant for the is it called elegant dining or whatever it is. So this is my amenity bag. I still have some work to do on this, but like I said, I'm packing in advance, so I'm not ready to put everything away just yet. But for the most part, this will be the gist of what I am packing. And yeah, that is my pack with me cruise edition, you guys. Well, this brings me to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell. Tons of good stuff is coming, and I will see you guys when? I'm sorry, what? What'd you say? When? Tomorrow. That's right. Tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow, and then the next day, 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 up until the 25th day, and I can't wait. See you tomorrow. Bye.